Hey guys, I'm coming to you today from a development here in the hotel zone. It is an older property called Los Tules. What I'm going to show you today is literally a villa that is right on the ocean, almost 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms with 4 full baths. It's on 2 different levels, so you have a primary suite on the ground floor and then you have 2 additional rooms on the second floor. The asking price is $1,200,000 US dollars. It's almost 4,000 square feet, so come and take a look at this gorgeous property with me, guys. So this is the outside of the building of the unit here, the penthouse unit, 2 levels of Los Tules. You are on the 15th building. It is number 130. So the way that they have this completely set up right now is you actually have 3 ways that you can rent this entire building if you choose to take this as an investment property. The entire building can be rented as one, or when you come first into this initial space here, you have the option to lock this room here, which is just like a normal regular hotel suite, you could say. So you've got 2, I would say these are full-size beds here with an ensuite bath. Or if you choose to go up the stairs, you have 2 more suites there, and then this is also your living space here. So let's kind of get into this as just one big property though. So let's start from the beginning. So as you walk into your space here, I would say this is kind of like a little mudroom area. And this would be the perfect place for possibly an in-law suite because you do have, this is 1 bedroom on your ground floor. Shower. You've got your storage closet here. And you can see the size of the bedroom. It's a great sized bedroom with tray ceilings here and the lighting. Then we'll walk through into the open floor plan. Here you have a full bath and a nice open living space here. Everything that you see comes, they might be taking the sofas with them, but they have informed me that if they do decide they're taking the sofas, they are going to put a replacement in. You are right here at Oceanfront. Great size living space out here, enough for a complete living room set and a nice big 6-seater with your barbecue. And guys, look at the view here. You are right down. So if you're using this as a rental property or you've got a big family and you wanted to use this for your family, the kids can go right down on the pool and you're hanging out watching them from the privacy of your own condo. Great beach with a little jetty right out front. This is Oceanfront living. So now that you've seen the entire ground floor, let's pop upstairs. You've got 2 more units upstairs, 2 bedrooms. Great size up here as well. Show you this first room with the high vaulted tray ceiling. The family that owned this before, this same exact unit has been one family for 30 years. They've done some upgrading along the way. I would consider this to be your second primary suite. This is your second floor with a double sink vanity. You've got some storage closets here with the built-ins. Nice little patio right off of your primary, so you can come out here and enjoy the views. hear the sound of the waves as you are waking up in the morning and going to bed at night. Great sized little patio here off of your primary. And this is also where they have the laundry out here too. And this little storage bodega here is where they've got the laundry on the second floor. Now we'll pop over onto that third bedroom. Again, you have the nice high vaulted ceilings in here. Nice and breezy. Ensuite bath. Pretty cozy space in here, I would say. But a nice updated bath nonetheless. Hey guys, so now that you've had an opportunity to take a look at this great space, let's do a little recap. We are almost 4,000 square feet. The asking price is $1,200,000, and you've got 3 bedrooms with 4 full baths, literally oceanfront here, Los Tules in the hotel zone. And if you want any more information on this, if you'd like to do a virtual tour, an in-person tour, down below in the description, you're gonna have my name, my phone number, my email. There's tons of different ways to get in touch with me. If you use WhatsApp, that's a great way that you can get in touch with me. I'm pretty much always on my WhatsApp all the time. And if you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe down below. I shoot videos at least 2 to 3 times a week. I'm doing walkthroughs, and then I also feature videos of the day so that you're able to do like a little photo slide of properties that are available here on the market in Vallarta. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you at the next one. Peace, guys.